What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the TheJJSerg, coming at you with another video. We are here doing the White Elephant Yerm Squad Squid Games, the White Squid Elephant Games, Friendsgiving Games. We got Kuya Cole right here.
What's up, y'all?
Hey, we are making the
Dalgona.
The Dalgona.
Dalgona.
As you can see, I have not watched this Squid Games. I am a fake fan. I'm just here giving support, being Kuya Cole's sous chef and making these cookies. Hopefully we'll be able to make some good cookies that no one... Do we want people to win or do we...
I don't know. I kind of want everyone to lose. Secretly. But,
Yeah.
you know, I am optimistic someone will win.
So yeah, check out how we do. And in a couple scenes, you'll be able to see, hopefully, this is just like a prelude and it's on the same video. But yeah, shout out to LA. She wasn't able to make it to the prep day. But we got you out there. Let's see these cookies.
You just push like that and then bam.
Let's go! Alright, YouTube. We're pretty much failing right now. After that first cookie that we used as practice, we haven't been able to make another one. It just keeps breaking before we can even... It's really bad. We've tried making 3 more cookies and all 3 of them have failed. Hopefully we can get... We gotta make that... How many we gotta make, Cole? Like 25?
25, yeah.
Oh my gosh. We've been at this for an hour.
And we made one.
We don't even...
We made one.
Oh yeah. Check this out. We made 1 cookie with no design. Oh my gosh. Whoever gets this one, they're gonna have to create their own design. It's a build your own. So I guess that's it. So at this rate, we made 0 cookies for an hour. I think it takes us like a minute per like sugar.
Yeah, about a minute.
So we should be able to get this done in about another hour.
As long as we're successful.
Yes, as long as we get every single one, every next cookie correct, we should be good by 9.
By 9 o'clock.
All right, we're gonna try a new strategy. Hopefully, we can get these cookies down by tomorrow. All right, guys. So this is our cookies for the what's the game called again? Kuya Cole? Dalgona. These are our cookies for Dalgona, or are they Dalgona?
I think they're Dalgona cookies.
They're Dalgona cookies. Kuya Cole and I made them all. This look really good, really well. I hope everyone at the party has fun with them. We made about, I think like 25. Yeah, about 25. We're expecting 28. The 3 of us, Kuya Cole, at the LA and I, we're probably not going to be playing because I don't know. I don't know why we're not going to be playing, but we finished these cookies, and I'm just repeating myself now. Let's go to the party.